First time I walked in the studio, I was jumping up and down. I was very excited. There's no place like this.
Future Music Moguls at the Clive Davis Institute is an intensive 12-week program designed to train high school juniors in the art and the business of creating and selling recorded music. It's one of several future artist programs at the Tisch School of the Arts.
Scouting and finding the next greatest talent out there. There's some songwriters, there's some artists, there's some producers.
FMM is pretty unique compared to other high school programs. First of all, it is free.
We see part of the mission to give opportunities to students who come from socioeconomically disadvantaged backgrounds and to do it for students who we think are really deserving and incredibly talented. There are many communities who've been marginalized in the music industry, underrepresented. And so what we want to do with Future Music Moguls is make sure that we are highlighting and giving opportunity to young people who come from some of those communities and making sure that what we do here is not just serving an elite population, but serving everyone.
It's a really good opportunity for us because people are paying thousands of dollars to be here and we're getting this for free, and so I really want to take that and use that.
To be a part of a program in such a prestigious university as NYU and for free, can't really beat that. You have access to these beautiful facilities.
Literally anything and everything that you can want in music production, they have access to here, and then they have all the support.
What we want to do is train young people to think entrepreneurially.
There are not many programs that teaches you about the business and the music, and it's you can't really learn about these things on your own.
We are training creative entrepreneurs to go into any area.
Music business is essential because as a creative, you need to understand how the business works around you.
Today we're going to talk about record labels, guys, the difference between indies and majors.
The most exciting thing about watching the students progress through the program is seeing the students who come in and they say, oh, I don't know how to produce. And then by the end of the program, they've made a whole track. You don't have to have a ton of experience. You just need that hunger and drive to learn.
I've seen students come out of Clive and have just amazing, abundant careers. I mean, a lot of them, it happens while they're here. And then it's all of our students are looking up to them.
I know I would not be where I am today without Future Music Moguls specifically, because that was the door that let me know that having a career in the music business is actually possible.
We have great guests who come in every week. From Pharrell Williams, who made a rather legendary appearance, to Yvette Noel Schure, who's the publicist for Beyonce. So you're getting people who are legends in the music industry coming in.
This environment is very productive for me. I really like the people here, I like the teachers, I like everything.
All the professors here, they have real life experience. If they haven't won Grammys themselves, they just have really affluent careers in music and have worked with everyone in the business.
I think what's really special is the energy between my peers and I and the passion that we all share. It's a blessing to be here.
Coming to Future Music Moguls, I was told, you have a voice, use it, it matters as long as you think it matters. I could take that with me anywhere.
When I hear the music that the students are making, it is a special moment because that is the music that will resonate into the future.
My hopes for the students are really that they leave with confidence in themselves and in their knowledge. What you learn here can be applied anywhere.
The Future Music Moguls program is designed to give students a really robust and solid set of skills. But ultimately, we also want to see this be a springboard for students to become the future leaders of the music industry. And that's why we call it Future Music Moguls, because we want this to be the place where the next Nisha Charles comes from or the next Clive Davis comes from. And we think it's possible for that to happen. And in fact, we've seen that happen.